welcome to our Facebook training. We are still dealing with settings. I told you we're going to go to settings right away. So today, let's dwell on settings. So you click on settings. You have a whole lot to learn on settings, man. When you come over here, find the settings that you need. All this one, you don't really need them because they are just going to tell you dark mode. Yeah, dark mode is very important. If you check, my page is on dark mode, right? Everything is dark. Sometimes this protects your eye, okay? But if you don't mind, you can turn it back to white mode if you prefer white mode. So click on this. You can now decide where to turn to, that dark mode or white mode. But I prefer dark mode so I can teach anytime, midnight, during the day, and it really affect my eye. You see me teaching without eyeglass, okay? Because of the dark mode that you turn on. Then let's scroll down here. The next one is your page details. So on that page detail, give you all the details of your page, okay? The details of your page, all your page is all about. How many followers you've got? Imagine I've gotten 1 like and 1 follower, okay? It's just a starting point. So this is where you get all of this, okay? Then apart from your page details as well, you can also see, if you still scroll down, how people can find and contact you. This is very, very important, okay? You click on it and let's see. You see all of this. Make sure they are turned on, okay? I will just explain them in a jiffy. First one, say allow search engines outside Facebook to link to your page. Yeah, for example, somebody will go to Google and saw your ads on Google, click on it, immediately take you to your Facebook page. Why? Because you have allowed them. If you disallow this, people can only see you. If you want to click to come over, they can't get to you. And why are you on Facebook if not to people to get to you? You want the right people to get to you, okay? So I can buy your product or watch your skills and follow you and stuff like that. It's social. You want people to socialize and join you. Next one is allow your page to be recommended to people looking at similar pages. This is where Facebook bots comes in, Facebook algorithm. When they see that people are liking a page that is similar to your page, Facebook will now refer your page to them. From there, they may now start liking your page as well and following you, okay? Messaging, allow people to message your page. Yes, people can send you message and you reply them, and it's also part of engagement, and that's what Facebook will look for if they want to pay you. And please, if you are watching my training and you've not followed me, please, it's not good. I'm teaching you something that will benefit you, so just do me a favor, just follow me, comment, okay? Let me know that this thing I'm teaching is free, is good, you're appreciating it. Okay, it doesn't cost you anything than to just watch and after that you leave. No. Try to reciprocate a kind gesture. Okay, somebody do good to you, do good back to the person. So that's why these things must be turned on. The 3 of them must be on. Let's go to the next one. Your post. Okay. So when we come to your post, that's where we are going right away. Under post, let's see what you need to work on that. If you see, who can see your future posts? Always share post to story. Please turn this on unless you have a reason not to, okay? What are they trying to tell you? Remember that every time Facebook will like you when you share an item, Facebook would also like to share a story. Now let's say you have only 1 video or 4 videos for that day and you've already actually shared all of them. Which one you now share a story? No one. Okay, so you start working too hard to get 1 for story, 1 for reels, 1 for that, 1 for that. But if you always share them this way, immediately you post anyone, Facebook will share to your story. Some people might tell that it might limit your reach, but I don't believe that. Because when you post your story, you post everything you post, it goes a long way in showing people. And any engagement you have, whether on story or this, it goes a long way in you being monetized. Okay, so make sure that you optimize everything. Remember the goal of this class, and that is why we are different from other gurus, other teachers. We want to show you how you can optimize your Facebook, so that by tomorrow you may not see all these things right away, but as you are progressing, the day Facebook remembers you, the day they remember any of your posts, and the algorithm push it to majority of the whole world, man, that day you'll be surprised how many followers you're going to get on that day. How many contacts you're going to get on that? How many sales you're going to make on that day? But if you optimize all of this, when that day comes, Facebook want to push the viral video or post, and you find that there's a limitation. You've already said, see, you've limited yourself. You've affected yourself. That page cannot grow. So please don't affect or limit yourself. Optimize everything. That's what we are saying. So turn this on, okay? Let's move to the next one. Let's go to stories now. So in stories, please make sure that you optimize all of these. Okay, even the last one, I'll explain why you should optimize the last one. Who can see your stories? Everyone. Public. Okay, public. Everybody on public should see your story. Unless it's a private story that you don't want people to see, then that particular story you can go there, changes after posting it after some time, like 24 hours, because story lasts for just a day. Once the story have ended, you come back and put this back to public. Okay, but I don't know why you should share a story that you want people to share, because Facebook is all about viral, it's all about social, it's all about you getting more people getting engaged on your content. That's what Facebook is all about. So focus on that. Know that that is the end goal. Okay, the next one is allow others to share your public stories to their own story. Yeah, by the time they share it, you have a multiplying effect. Okay, when they share to their story, another person share to their story, what is happening? You are going viral. Facebook is knowing that, yeah, this thing is important for people to share it, that they will not push it. Okay, but if you remove it, if you don't allow them, they will like what you post, but they can't help you to share it. And of what good is it that you actually invite everybody to come and have a meal with you happily, only for you to not hide the meal in your own house, and you told them that there's nothing here? Will they give you their blessing? No. So please accept that blessing. It's very important, as long as it's coming from you. Allow people to share your stories if you mention them. Yeah, allow them. It's very important. Allow followers to reply to your stories. Yeah, so I can have engagement. See, let me tell you, sometimes your followers may write rubbish, right? They might insult you, right? Maybe if you do something that you don't like, right? But man, you start insult, is that rubbish? They all help you to go viral. Already, all you know is many people are coming there. So that their story is not their own. What they know is that people are coming there. That means that there is this story can go viral. So they will help you to push it to go viral. Okay, if you know these things, you will now see that don't be removing negative comments. Leave it there. But if you are into business or a product, it's important for you to manage your comments, because somebody is giving you negative comment all the time. People may be prompt not to buy your product. Okay, but if you're into this digital creator skill, all these people that just come and showcase themselves on Facebook, man, they go viral more when people give them negative comment. Because people, what did he do? People, let me go and watch. From there you are going viral. Then archiving your stories is very important. The reason is that if you archive your stories, maybe you may have some good stories. Every 24 hours that story will be gone. But when you archive it, each time that story is gone, Facebook will have a place that they will store it for you. So you can go back and be checking them. Look, this story went viral. Let me repost the story. It's just like you have the records of your past dealings, so you can know the one that is working well and see how you can optimize it to work better. But if you don't archive these stories, once they're gone, they are gone. You can't see them. So that's why I say you should turn everything here on. Believe me, you are here for optimization. I won't deceive you. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is page setup. This page setup has a lot of things, so I'm going to leave it for the next class. So this is where we call it off for today. In our next class, we move on to page setup. Thanks for hanging around with me, learning something from me. But please, have you yet followed me? If you've not, what are you waiting for? We have a lot to teach you. We are going to take you into after Facebook, go to Instagram, so many social media, And at the end of the day too, we show you how to build a website in a very simple format. But if you now want to learn more website design and creation, I have a Telegram class for that. Okay, so being with me is like trying to get necessary skills that will give you a good job. So don't see this that you are wasting your time. Follow me, like what I'm doing, comment on it, and see you in our next class. Thank you, love you, bye.